All right, everybody, we are on level 7 of lesson 25. Write your own functions. Time to practice writing functions of your own. This is a very simple game in which coins fall from the sky and the bunny tries to catch them all. All you need to do is write the function that sets up the coin. Do this. Read and run the code that already exists to make sure you know how it works. Write the code for the set coin function to do the following. Set the coin's velocity to move down. Set the coin's Y position to the top of the screen. Randomize the coin's X position. You can go look at some of the previous levels if you need help. I don't think we're going to need to do that. So down here is our function for set coin, and it told us exactly what we need to do, set the velocity to move down. So let's do that. So coin dot velocity y, we need to move down, so it's going to be plus. So let's go with 5. 5 seems like a decent number. Set the coin's Y position to the top of the screen. We can do that too. So coin.y is we're gonna start at -10. That way it starts off the screen and comes down. And then we're gonna randomize the coin's X position. So coin.x, random number somewhere between 25 and 375. I don't like to do 0 and 400 because then it might appear off the screen. So run. All right. Good. So we're done with level 7 because all it asked us to do was set the coin up. We're going to do the rest as we move forward. So I'm going to finish here and I will see you on level 8.